Good morning children, all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. So welcome back to Narayana live classes. So today we are going to explain key explanation for 6th class 8th dated, and topic is about a problems on prime factorization. So in this question paper, we are having 3 Romans, and first Roman very short questions, and second Roman short answer questions, third Roman essay type questions. So first one of the first Roman, which factors are not included in the prime factorization of composite number? So if you go through the natural numbers, we can specify into 3 groups. One is 1, second set is prime, third set is composite numbers. So this is 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite as it has only one factor, and this is set of prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5. As you know, this is set of prime numbers, and 2, 3, 5, these are prime numbers, rounded numbers, and rest of the numbers like 4, 6 and so on, these are set of composite numbers. Now 1 can be expressed as product of equal factors, so it is neither prime nor composite, and every prime number can be expressed as the product of 2 distinct factors, that is 1 and itself. And here these are composite numbers. If you take the composite number, we can express the composite number in such a way. Here factors of the composite number 4 is 1, 2, 4. Factors of the composite number 4 are 1, 2, 4. In that 2 is the prime factor, but 1 is neither prime, 4 is a composite number. So which factors are not included in the prime factors? In that, what are the prime factors of 4? What are the prime factors of 4? Just out of the all 3 factors, we have only 2 is considered as prime factors of 4, and remaining 2, 1 and the number itself. So which factors are not included? The number 1 and the number itself are not included as in the set of prime factors of a composite number. So what is the answer for the first one? 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. 1, the number 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? The number 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number, children. So our next question. Second one of the first Roman. I am the smallest having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? Who am I, children? I am the smallest number having 4 digits, 4 different prime factors. First of all, what are the prime numbers? If you consider the set of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. In that, if you consider the first 4 prime numbers, let us take its product 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So smallest 4-digit number, express it as a product of, and the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So if you take another like 3 into 5 into 7 into 11 or 7 into 5 into 11 into 13, whatever you take product of any 4 prime factors, prime numbers, out of all the products, this is the least because we want smallest number. We want smallest number where the number is product of 4 different prime factors. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 30, 30 into 7, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 5, 7 into 30. So 210 is the least number or smallest number where the product it is obtained by taking the product of 4 different prime factors. Other than these 4 prime factors, if you take any other than these 4, 100% it should be more than 210 as we want smallest. So this is the answer for the second question, children. So our next question is third one. What is the third one? Write the smallest 4-digit number. Write the smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number, children? 1000. What is the smallest four-digit number? Is 1000. So by taking smallest 4-digit number, express the smallest 4-digit number as a product of prime factors. So let us follow the division method, children. So let us recall the test of divisibilities as 0 in units place. 1000 is divisible by 2. How many times? 500 times. Again it is 250 times, and again it is 125 times, and as sum of the 3 digits in 125 is 8, as 8 is not divisible by 3, so 125 is not divisible by 2 and 3, so our next prime number is 5. So it cancel 125 25 times, again this is 5 into 5. So as the last one is prime number, so our process of doing prime factorization is completed. So if you take the 1000 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into again 5 into 5 into 5. So this is our prime factorization of least 4-digit number, children. If you want in base exponent form, 2 raised 3 times as well as 5 raised 3 times. Okay, children? So our next question is fourth one. What is the fourth one? Express 84 as the product of prime factors. So this is the given number, and again let us divide 84 as prime factors. So as 4 in units place, it is divisible by 2. How many times, children? 2 4s, 2 2s. As 2 in units place, it is divisible by 42 is divisible by 2. So this is 21 times. So sum of digits in 21 is 2 plus 1 3. So it is divisible by 3 as test of divisibility. So how many times? 7 times. So this is the prime number. So after finishing this, we can write 84 as the product of prime factors like 2 into 2, 3 into 7. So children, this is the prime factorization of 84. Of course, if you want to express the same product in the form of base exponent form, so 2 raised how many times, children? 1 time, 2 times. The number of times 2 is rising is indicating at the top right of the base number. And 3 raised how many times, children? Only 1 time. And 7 raised how many times, children? Only 1 time. So this is the base exponent form for the prime factorization of 84. Okay children, this is the solution for 4th question. And come back to 3rd Roman. In this 3rd Roman, fifth question consisting 4 sums. In which of the following expression prime factorization done properly has been done properly? So what is the first one of the 5th question? 24 is equals to 2 into 3 into 4. Once calculate its product, children. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So though we get the product equal to the given number, but if you observe the factors in this product, 2 is a prime factor, 3 is a prime factor, but 4 is a composite, it is not a prime. Therefore, it is not correct process of prime factors for the first question. And come back to second one. What is the second one? 56. 56 is equal to 1 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56, 56 1s are 56. If you observe the product which is equal to LHS, nothing but given number. But if you observe each and every number in the product, we need to verify whether it is prime or composite. So 2 is a prime, another 2 also prime, but if you take 7, 7 is also prime, but if you take the number 1, it is neither prime nor composite, children. So this kind of expressing also not correct. And if you go through the third one, children, third one is 70. 70 can be expressed as 2 into 5 into 7, and if you verify the product, let us verify. 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So the product is 100%, which is equal to the given number, which is nothing but available in LHS of equality sign. And if you observe each and every number in this product, every number is a prime number. 2 is a prime, 5 is a prime, 7 is a prime. So express 70 as a product of prime factor is correct way. So third one is correctly the given. And if you go through the 54, fourth one, given number is 54. So this is 2 into 3 into 9. So my dear children, if you observe the product of right side RHS of equality sign, 2 3s are 6, 6 9s are 54, where which is equal to 54 available in the left side of equality sign. Now if you observe each and every number in this product, do we have all the numbers are prime numbers? No. 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, but 9 is a composite number. It is not a prime. So this kind of representation is also not a proper way of expressing as a product of prime factors. So third one is also wrong. So in this fifth question, my dear children, out of the 4 questions, except the third one, remaining all the 3 are wrongly they given. So first one is it is wrong, second one is wrong, and fourth one is wrong process. as we are having composite numbers are involved in the product of RHS, right hand side of equality sign, and if you take the second one, it is neither prime nor composite, which is nothing but 1 is given in the RHS of second one. But if you go through the third question, children, it is correctly the given each and every number in this product is 100% prime number. So this is correct representation of expressing as a given number as a prime products. So that's all today's question paper, children. Thank you so much and have a nice day, children. Keep working.